Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's have a look on the gold market. So in the last week action was relatively quiet and slow because of the holidays, but in general, those of you who are moving with us on day by day now, daily updates probably could see that we have nothing to complain because gold actually has completed all trading setups that we have discussed previously. So we've got the upward action. It was even faster than we thought on Thursday and Friday. So we've got the targets that we have specified and it has been completed. And even on Friday, once we've got this cartilage triple to sell, right, we said the pullback probably should start, and actually it has started rather accurately. So from that standpoint of view, despite that overall action maybe looks a bit, well, thin, but on intraday charts, market moves absolutely normal according with the technical analysis rules, which is actually great. On the higher time frames today, on the weekly, on the monthly chart, nothing to discuss, just because January is too small to make impact on the overall picture. So we just have updated the pivot points, yearly pivot points for the 2025 that we usually do in the beginning of the year. So next week we will be focused on the same area that we already have discussed. So since the retracement started, we keep the bullish context. So until market stands inside of the triangle, which is actually pennant on the weekly chart, we suggest that bulls have chances to proceed upward action. Overall background right now rather nervous, especially on the domestic political arena in the United States. Some terrorist attacks, shooting, other stuff. So Donald Trump, by the way, it's also intends to take the meeting on 19th of January in Washington on a big sport arena. So I don't know why he actually needs this. It's a lot of shooting attempts already have been made, and whether he will want another one, it's really big questions about this. We will see. But in general, as you can see, bulls have chances to succeed in the current situation. Since from the technical point of view, gold also holds all the necessary conditions that we have specified. Trend stands bullish, market stands inside of the pennant. It has great performance here. First of all, it was able to hold these lows. It was absolutely normal pullback from the 26 when we have taken the long position last week, if you remember. It also holds the 618 support, and intraday chart shows ABCD action. There's actually no problems. So actually everything just great. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this pullback, as I said, it's after the cartilage triple to sell has been completed, now stands underway. And on the cross market analysis, yesterday we talked about the strong monthly support on the euro currency and correspondingly resistance on the dollar index. And even minor response to these levels gives gold good chances to proceed action to the upside. United States bond yields are not falling, which might be the headwind, but at the same time they are not rising too fast as it was just 1-2 weeks ago. So from that standpoint of view, it might be not really a great barrier to the gold. Besides, we will get a lot of statistics next week, including payrolls, so we will see. Currently, it's expected 150,000, which is significantly weaker than last year. And so lots of background that might be worked in favor of the possible upward continuation. That's why we think that we could keep our trading strategy, trading plan the same. Particularly speaking, on Friday we said if pullback starts, let's consider this level 2620, 2630. It is interesting. Strong support, target of the cartilage triple to unfilled gap. Now we also have this XOP with this ABCD pattern to the downside. Excellent area to consider for a possible taking a long position. So you could act differently. Usually we are watching for performance of the hourly chart around this area, searching for patterns. When we will get it, we could consider taking a long position. Alternative approach is waiting when the market will hit this area, starting upward direction, and then try and take position on retracement, which calls as a Jordan-Napoli minesweeper entry technique. So, but anyway, this is just tactical questions, technical questions, how we will take the position, but the general approach stands the same. We suggest the context remains bullish by far. Correspondingly, we consider near a strong support for possible taking a long position. That and towards what we have on the gold market.